Life is a mixture of hardships and joy. Sometimes people are very happy and enjoy life to its fullest, but other times people feel hopeless and stressed due to various events in the journey of their life. The brave people don't panic when things don't go in their favor because they developed a balance in their life. Today in this video I am going to tell you some of the secrets of having a balanced and happy life. Number first and the most important secret is accept yourself the way you are. This is the quality of accepting unconditionally and value all parts of who you are. That means you acknowledge all of yourself, the good and the bad things that need improvement. We know that self-acceptance can be hard. We are always critical of ourselves, but we have to change our state of mind about who we really are and accept the way we are. Self-acceptance is one of the key determinants of happiness and can have an effect on every aspect of our life. When you accept yourself the way you are, your mind becomes clearer and focused. You will begin to understand the root of problems without judging them from your own perspective. You will see the world just the way it is. When you accept yourself the way you are, you will stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone wants to be stronger, better looking, more interesting, rich and more successful. And we always try to compare ourselves to other people that we think are successful, and when we did not live up to those standards, we are even harder on ourselves. We often forget that people we wanted to be like were also people themselves. And we just don't often know what they might also be struggling with. After accepting yourself and what you have, you will stop complaining so much about everything you don't have and will notice the little things in life that you do have. There are many people in this world who would gladly trade places with you. It is easy to be not grateful when we are not happy. But try and be grateful for just one thing that you do have. Just accept yourself the way you are and try to improve yourself to be the best human being in every aspect of the life. Number second secret is the plan before you act. Planning is one of the integral factors necessary to be successful. There are different opinions on keys to success and leading a meaningful, happy and fulfilling life. But planning your life is one of the most powerful and effective ways to attain what you want. Nobody plans to fail. They simply fail to plan. Think about this for a second. If you travel, you plan your trip. If you are getting married, you plan your wedding. Even if you throw a party, you plan the event. You would not dream of doing any of these events without some form of prior planning. Living a life of success filled with meaning, happiness and fulfillment is no different. Yet most people neglect to plan their lives and then get disappointed and discouraged when they do not attain what they want. Planning your life is equivalent to having a roadmap that helps you reach your desired destination. You will need a good map. It would be foolish to get in your car and drive around aimlessly hoping to eventually reach your destination. Despite this, so many people in the world today fail to plan their lives and end up lost or stuck where they are. When you take the time to plan your life, you are taking the steps necessary to not only identify and reach your desired goal, but also to do so in the most efficient manner. Rather than relying on pure chance, a life plan details the route to take. It helps you get there in the shortest time possible without running out of gas. Your planning can be applied to both small and big aspects of your life. It could be that you want to wake up earlier, or stop smoking, or be closer to your spouse and children, or be a nicer person, or start your own business, or lose weight, or get a promotion or better job. I have used the power of planning to wake up earlier, become more calm and mindful, and become happier. If I did not plan to accomplish those things, I doubt I would have accomplished most of them. Number third secret to have a happy and balanced life is it's okay to make mistakes. George Bernard Shaw summed it up beautifully. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. There's nothing wrong with making mistakes and failing. But I'll tell you why people get so defensive when it comes to their mistakes or something they have faltered at. This is because of these reasons: the fear of embarrassment, the fear of being considered less competent, and last, the fear of being mocked at. What's important is to be brave enough to make mistakes, own them, rectify them, and learn your lesson out of them. When you commit a mistake, it means that there is a right way to do that thing. If you are committed to achieve it, you would go out on a limb to make it happen. Instead of feeling embraced by your mistakes, it's time to celebrate and learn from them. Anyone who has become great or successful owe their success to their mistakes. It's time to change our perspective and celebrate our mistakes than running away from them. So these three are my secrets of having a happy and balanced life. If you apply these secrets to your life, I am confident that you are going to have a happy, balanced, and fulfilling life ahead. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a very happy life ahead. God bless you all.